my 16th year here at the Burnet Airshow, and I just love it. I mean, you can get up close and personal with these aircraft, and it's such an honor to be fueling these World War II planes that are such a big piece of our history. This is just too awesome.
Yeah.
So I just love this air show because it's all about what America's all about. It's our present and past all in one.
Beautiful day. We got A-10s, we got P-51s. It's gonna be a good air show. When the Air Force comes, it's a good air show.
All right, everybody. Air show's gonna start in an hour. We're super pumped. Let's go.
So ladies and gentlemen, here is Falcon flight from the left in the Aero formation. This is the airplane formation, and they will transition to what they call the easy formation, where the two trailing aircraft move out from behind number 4 to become the two wingmen. The Austin Parachute Club with us here today. Right on target. Let's give it, he can hear you. Give him a huge round of applause. Ladies and gentlemen, get your cameras out. Look at the amazing blue Texas sky behind those parachutes. Ladies and gentlemen, from the right, Aaron Taylor, smoke on. You can see the shape of what he did. He does a half a loop on each end, and on the downward leg, he rolls from inverted to right side up. Aaron Taylor and the Twisted Texan Air Show. We should thank God that such men lived. Thank you for keeping history alive. Very appreciated. Jeff, thank you very much. Look at this. Get a picture. This is it. PB1J. So ladies and gentlemen, there's another photo pass with the simulated bomb ramp from Beth Jenkins and the crew of Devil Dog. As you see the Devil Dog beginning to touch down, a significant piece demonstrated by the B-25 of that history of our freedom. Thank you to everybody at Burnet, Texas, and everyone associated with the Bluebonnet Airshow this year. We're excited to start our season off this way. You guys have been incredibly welcoming, and it feels great to be at